Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Some soups feel light. Others feel like care in a bowl. In this video, we're exploring Samgyetang, the Korean ginseng chicken soup known for its gentle flavor, comforting warmth and deep cultural meaning. If you've never tried Samgyetang, picture a gentle, steaming bowl of Korean ginseng chicken soup that tastes mild, savory, and deeply comforting. It's not spicy, not heavy, and not fussy, but it still feels special. The broth is clean and soothing, the chicken turns fall apart tender, and the rice inside makes each spoonful more filling than you'd expect. People love Samgyetang for a few reasons. It's comfort food, it's tied to tradition, and many Koreans eat it when they want to feel steady and cared for. It's also famous as a summer dish in Korea, often eaten to help the body handle hot weather. This guide breaks down what Samgyetang means, what goes in it, how to eat it at a restaurant, and a simple way to make it at home without stress. What is Samgyetang, and why do Koreans eat it in summer? Samgyetang is a Korean soup made with a whole young chicken simmered until very tender, usually stuffed with sweet rice or glutinous rice plus aromatics and herbs. The broth is pale and lightly savory, not rich like a creamy soup, and not fiery like a chili stew. It's the kind of bowl that warms you up quickly, like wrapping your hands around a mug on a long day. One thing that surprises first-time diners is how quiet the flavor can be. Samgyetang often arrives under season on purpose, so you can adjust it at the table. The real point is the clean chicken flavor, the soft rice, and the gentle herbal note, not a big punch of salt or spice. In Korean food culture, there's also a strong idea of seasonal eating. Samgyetang sits in that space where food is both a meal and a way to care for yourself. It's common to seek it out when you feel run down, when you want something soothing, or when the weather is brutal and you still need to eat well. Meaning, pronunciation, and what makes it different from other chicken soups. The name breaks down simply. Sam means ginseng. Gi means chicken. Tang means soup. Pronunciation help. Samgyetang. The gi sounds closer to jaya than guy. What makes Samgyetang stand out is the format. You usually get a whole small chicken, stuffed with sweet rice, garlic and jujubes, then simmered until the rice swells and the meat nearly slips off the bone. Compared with classic chicken noodle soup, there are no noodles and usually no carrots or celery. It's also different from plain chicken broth, which can feel thin and unfinished. Among Korean soups, dakgomtang is a close cousin, also a chicken soup, but it's often made with chicken pieces and a milky, long simmered broth, and it usually isn't stuffed with sticky rice and ginseng. The summer tradition, fighting heat with heat and the idea of restoring energy. A hot soup on a hot day sounds odd until you try it. In Korea, Samgyetang is linked to the idea of fighting heat with heat, meaning a warming bowl can make you sweat and feel more balanced after. People don't eat it to prove a point. They eat it because it's calming and filling when summer drains your appetite. You'll often hear about Samgyetang, the hottest stretch of summer days, as a time when many people line up for Samgyetang. It's not a promise of medical results. It's more about how people say they feel afterward. Warmed through, comfortably full, and a bit more grounded. Key ingredients in Samgyetang, and what each one adds. Samgyetang recipes vary by home and by restaurant, but the core ingredients stay pretty consistent. The goal is balance. You want chicken flavor first, then soft sweetness, then a light herbal finish. If one ingredient takes over, the bowl can taste strange, so restraint matters. Now that you know what Samgyetang is and why it's so special, we'll move into its ingredients, traditions, and how it's enjoyed. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.